US envoy David Hale dedicates General Electric locomotives. Pakistan is the first country in South Asia to import and use the General Electric Evolution series locomotives, which will help with the modernization and connectivity of Pakistan Railways. President and CEO General Electric Pakistan and Central Asia, Sarim Sheikh, speaking on the occasion, informed, the EVO locomotives provide better fuel efficiency and longer overhaul cycles than any other locomotives in their class, substantially reducing both the costs and environmental impact of transporting essential freight.
Pakistan is the first country in South Asia to acquire this latest technology from the US. The GE EVO locomotive that you see behind me has an 8,000-liter fuel tank, which allows it to cover long distance at a speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour and delivering extended service intervals, which make it one of the lowest cost ton per kilometer freight transportation locomotive. GE has delivered the first 7 EVO series locomotives to Pakistan Railways.
American Ambassador David Hale, while dedicating General Electric locomotives at Karachi Cantonment Railway Station, stated how US technology and equipment would play a key role in the long-term infrastructure upgrades that will fuel Pakistan's substantial economic development.
Just like these locomotives, Karachi itself is an engine of economic growth. American companies such as GE are valuable partners for that growth as Pakistan continues its long-term infrastructure upgrades and investments for economic growth. We're very proud of the state-of-the-art American technology in these engines. These locomotives will support new power plants in Pakistan and advance the country's efforts to expand electricity generation. They will also increase Pakistan Railways' capacity to carry more cargo across Pakistan's industrial heartland. And the delivery of these locomotives, of course, is also good for America's private sector relationship with Pakistan, which is expanding as Pakistan's economy grows.
In June 2015, General Electric signed a deal with Pakistan Railways for 55 state-of-the-art diesel locomotives, built and assembled in the USA. The remaining 48 will be shipped to Pakistan's Karachi port in several tranches throughout 2017.